That's where our infinite tiny top as an edgier one shoulder. So what I showed you before was to take it through and then go like this. I have another way to do a one shoulder. So what we can do, instead of putting it through our head first, pick the arm that you want the strap to go over. So if it's your right arm, we'll do it this way. If it's your left arm, you can stick your left arm through. And I'm just gonna scrunch it up, make sure my ties are even at the bottom. And this one has a little bit less support than the other way, but I think it gives this cool angular vibe that looks really more like edgy and fun. I'm gonna wrap it first and then zhuzh it. So here I've just tied it in a knot in the back to do more of a one shoulder bralette. But if you don't want this much midriff showing, then instead of tying in a knot here, we'll just continue to wrap it around. So cross it in the back, come to the front. And then give it a little knot in the back. Just finesse this. I always like to say when you're putting these on, wrap it and then do a little finessing and zhuzhing in the after process. It's not just like a put it on, it's not like a t-shirt where you just put it on and then you can walk out the door. This is like a two-step process. So here I've built out some longer length with the wrap, and I can also position any folding here as I like it. As you can see, this offers a little different of a back situation. It's a little more backless, but you've got this cool edgy strap here. Looks like she's ready to go out for a night on the town.